channel, Sean's Specialties. So today we are making BBQ crusted chicken strips. So what you need for this recipe is organic chicken, and then you need to cut it up into strips and put some kosher salt on it. Sprinkle some kosher salt, just like sprinkle it like that. And now you have to transfer that into the egg dip, which is 3 eggs, and you have to whisk it up. So let's do that. Transfer it to the egg dip. Then we have crushed up BBQ chips. What I did is I put it into a bag and I crushed them up. And yeah, now you have to coat the chicken with the barbecue chips. And then all you have to do is put it onto the baking sheet with a baking rack. And we do all that step by step. For all this is good to make for like a lunch or a dinner. You can have this. It's really fun to make. So it's fun to make with your kids, with anybody really. This is fun to make even on your own, to just have a little snack. Yeah. So we're putting it into the egg, dipping it out, and drenching it with breadcrumbs. And 3 more slices to go. So this is fun because it's 4 simple steps. All you have to do is whisk the egg up, do the crush up the breadcrumbs, and slice the chicken and put on the salt, which is anybody can do that. Anybody can make this. It's really fun to make. One more strip to go. Now, put this in. And now it is done. Voila. Now I have to wash my hands. And now we put these into the oven at 400 for 15 to 18 minutes. I already have one ready. Let's move these to the side. Let's get on the plate. And this is the finished product. So cut it up and try it. And we have this Primal Kitchen sauce. It's a BBQ sauce. I recommend Primal Kitchen. They have great sauces, and they're just a great company. So let's try that. Oh man, that is so good. So I hope you like this video. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. And comment down below what sauce you have with this. And try new things, guys. See you next time. Bye.